Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about TD Cash Secured Credit Card. So, TD Cash Secured Credit Card is designed for individuals aiming to build or rebuild their credit while earning cash back on purchases. Now, some of its key features are: first, the security deposit. It requires a refundable security deposit ranging from $300 to $5,000, which determines your credit limit. Second is the cashback rewards. Earned unlimited 1% cashback on all eligible purchases and earn 3% and 2% cashback on your choice of spend categories. Next is the annual fee. It has an annual fee of $29. Next, the APR variable. APR of 27.24 variable APR on purchases. Lastly is the graduation potential. Cardholders may be eligible to transition to an unsecured card after demonstrating responsible use over time. True experiences vary. Now, some of its pros are the credit card building. It reports to major credit bureaus, aiding in establishing or improving credit card history. Next is the rewards program. Offers cashback on all purchases, uncommon among secured cards. Now, some of its cons are the annual fee. It has an annual fee of $29, whereas some secured cards have no annual fee. Next is the high APR. 27.24% variable APR, making it costly to carry a balance. Lastly is the graduation uncertainty. Some users report extended periods without transitioning to an unsecured card. Now, in conclusion, the TD Card Secured Card is a viable option for those seeking to build credit while earning cashback. However, the annual fee and high APR are considerations. Additionally, the timeline for transitioning to an unsecured card can be unpredictable. Comparing this card with other secured cards may help determine the best fit for your financial goals. And that's basically it.